Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today you are going to learn a couple of simple 8-note drum beat. Alright, without further ado, let's dive right in. Alright, for those of you who have not seen my earlier video on how to play your very first drum beat, please check it out in this card right here. Alright guys, there you have it, some simple 8-note drum beat you can pick up today. Alright, once again, I'm Joe, your friendly music educator, musician and producer. If you have enjoyed this lesson and you would like to see more of this in the future, remember to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification icon to be updated with new content. Alright, take care, God bless, I'll see you around next time.